Good. Ano rin yan? Good. Pinapita. Huwag na yung eto. Then the battery is on. So I have the rules. So I have the rules. So I have rules to make now. After rules, so first, gusto na ko, I want you to listen. Listen sa kwa. Kung saan akong button, maminaw ka na kayo mag-dito sa tubangan. Dahil ako bili, basta na kayo mag-dito yung teacher sa tubangan, maminaw. Sabot? Everyone sabot? Second is, raise your right hand if you have a question or you want to answer the questions from our lesson. Okay? Sabot na everyone? Very good. Okay, very good. Sabot. So today, kung saan ko ang lesson kahapon in English, what is our lesson yesterday? What is our lesson yesterday? What is our lesson? Objective? Objective? Okay, objectives? No. Our lesson yesterday is about? No. It is about? No. No. Mathematics yun. It is mathematics. Our topic today is English, not mathematics. Kung saan ito topic kahapon, our topic kahapon is verb. Action word. It is a word. It is a verb. It is a verb. Now, I have here. No, I have here. I show you a picture. Here are the pictures of children. So, we have a cat. What is this? And I have here. Who one can go? Isa ka one nila kayo. So, ganito kayo ba? So, ba? Okay, very good. Which one can eat food? That's the bear can eat food. In these two pictures, what is the difference? What are the differences between these two pictures? What are the differences between these two pictures? Kaya ka lang sila. Okay. So, here. Okay, very good. And now, take a look. Okay, out. And now, do you have any idea what your lesson is going? Nakasagot tayo na agad. Yes. When you say teacher, it is pronoun. Pronoun. It can be male or female. Depende na. Pronoun teacher. Hindi talaga ang mouth sir, it is a noun. Yes, noun. So now, kung saan ito? Ang second nila? Anyone? Yes, tama ka. And now, ano mo yung topic karon? Ano mo idea sa topic karon? Ano mo idea sa topic karon? Tayo sige na para ito. Very good. We have our topic is all about living days and non-living days. What can you see in the picture? What is this? Another one. Look at the picture. And now, the picture is living days or non-living days? Out lang. Living days or not? Okay, living days. Okay. Out lang. Yes. Let's go to my source. My source. So today we have an objective. Can you read all of this? Can you read? For you. I mean now, identify living things and non-living things. I mean now, describe the characteristic of living things. Classify objects can be as living or non-living things. And that one is appreciate the importance of living things in our environment. Now, what is living things? What is living things? It is definition of living things. What are the living things? I am talking about asking what is living things. Sagot. I mean now, we have the answer here. Kindly, read this like this. I mean now, for yourself. Develop on their own breath or make their own food. Reproduce out of free. That's one. Respond to their environment. Very good. So, kung saan living things kami? Yes, ang mga ginawa. Who can move, who can breathe, and who can grow or to develop their. Okay, very good. And now we have the non-living things. What are or what is the non-living things? Halika. And this one. They do not grow, breathe, move on their own. Yeah? Okay, very good. So, non-living things is the things that cannot breathe, cannot eat on their own, cannot move, unless you push them or carry them. Last, so now, kasagot ba? Ganito na. Breathe. Ito ba? Dito ka? Dito ka? Okay, very good. Dito ka? So, non-living things is dili kataon. Dili kayo silang kabalingon, and wala sila kinabuhi. Kasagot na? Kasagot? Okay, breathe. Identify living and non-living things. I have here, ito. Oh, kita mo, liter, wala ka liter. Yes, raise your right hand. Okay? Sagot? Kita kayo tumayo leader. Well, satu, ini satu, dua, satu, three, four. So I have two different time. Here. So, kita ito. Bria, and Bria, satu, three, four. Yeah, okay. So now, okay, ito button. Okay, now. Ginawa? Okay, now. Okay. Everybody, ito ni. Ito na. Okay, bro, activity. Ako ko dapat. Ako lang kalian ako kakaya. Here, now. Here's my topic. Hindi ka kami. Ito mo, ito mo. Ha? Aminaw sa. Circle the living things. Kamay lang sa circle ha. O, sa lang. Circle the living things. And put X or cross out the non-living things. Time starts now. Gina. Grupo. Yes, ang non-living things. Sanin. Ano magbantan? Ano yung lugar na? Kaya na. Oh. Ang inyo kanina sa. Ay, sali ka. Kanina sa. Kaya na. Okay, very good. Okay, for now na. Sige, sige, sige. Ipasok na natin yung karon. Ay, ang isa. Sige na, i-circle ang living things. Steady, cross. Cross out, ganun living things. Asa na? Mana? Mana, very good. Dali, dali. Go back to your seat, everyone. Go back to your seat, everyone. Go. Go back to your seat, sit down. Sit down. Ay, ang gusto mo naman? Ito kaya, base training yung sarili yung kaya. Sige na, ikaw leader, so, pangitaw dahil ka. Pangitaw din training mo, base training. Kapita yun. Okay, ilan? Okay, asa na yung kwan na? Asa na yung why? Sige. Hey, sa'yo ka kaya? Living things, why? Okay, very good. Asa naman? How about this one? Wait, yes, why? Ikaw man, okay, very good. How about Jet? Living things, ang Jet, why? Kung ikaw pala siya, bakit? Okay, now. Kita rin mag-manager, kita rin living things ang Jet, kita rin living things ang Jet. Okay, okay na. Hindi living things ang Jet, ha, why? Ano ba? Ang Jet is cannot be. Di can move unless makabog na ang Jet. If it has a pilot, di ba? Makaliw ka na Jet, kung may pilot, ano ba? Okay, hindi pala sa pataon. Ano ba? Ano ba? Stay. Oh, X, why? Hindi sa kaliw, okay, very good. How about this? E, X, ang living things, why? Okay, very good. Napakagawa ang group 2. Ay, group 3 for me. Napakagawa ang group 4. Okay, very good. How about that? Hindi nga, pwede tayo. Ang group 1 ito, kita upuan. Okay, okay, sige. Sige, hindi ka mag-dila. Kita tayo. Edit, day, why? At least, answer, day, why? Fish. Come on, Edit, day, why? Why? Yan, ba? Okay, very good. How about this one? Bring up. Okay, why? Hindi ka very good. Okay, kapit. Why? Okay, very good. What else? This. Living things. Okay, very good. Living things. What is mouse? Why? Okay, very good. Para ang group 2, okay, I group 1, okay. Alas pa ka sa sit down, sit down, sit down, take your seat. Pamina sa ba? Everyone, pamina sa ba? Eyes on me. Eyes on me. Isa, eyes on me. Okay, pwede ka pamina sa ba? Okay, now, that's your knowledge. Why should you take care of plants and animal? Ano man? How will you show care for living things at home? Punta ko na to. Everyone, 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 binaw. That's not that's right. That's right. Okay, why should we take care of our plants and animal? Ano man? Ano man? Okay, because it is also important. It is also important in our ecosystem. Okay, tama ba? Okay. Ay, ang living things and ang plants and animals, part na siya sa ato ang daily life. Tama ba? Okay, bisa ka na makita, pakita, di ba? Mga birds. Oh, congrats, mga birds. Okay. Tama na. Sabi ko pa ako, ang ganda nito. So, nakasabi na ba sa living things and living things? Kita ka question na sa living things. Just raise your hand. Raise your right hand. Kita ka question na. Ako ka? Ako ka? Ako ka? Ako ka? Dika. Nata, dirita. Yes, now, picture here. Just raise your hand if you want to answer. 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 Okay? First, si Jermin, come here. I-face na mo niya kung nalibing or nalibing siya. Ano na ba? Kasi, raise your hand. Wala ko ningon ang ito. Tama kayo, Bin. Okay, okay. Libing mo na nalibing from you. Here. Nalibing. Tama. Okay, very good. How about, diba? Bisa na. Oh, doctor, doctor. Doctor, doctor. How about that? Everyone. Tama ba? Nalibing na? Okay, very good. Everyone. Akal, living things or non-living things? Ano ba? Ano ba? Papapaon? Ano living things? Dito ba? Oh, gusto nyo? Living things or non-living things? Teka, akala nyo? Living things or non-living things? Hindi ko kayo kung ano bakit? Ano bakit? Living things or non-living things? Ano ba? Why? Give me an answer, man. Ano ba? Okay, very good. Get